What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to a swap meet that I've probably driven past easily 500 or more times. It is called the Santee Drive-In and Swap Meet, and during the week it is a drive-in movie theater, and then on the weekend it turns into a swap meet. So I've never been there before. I've always seen it. It looks like it's a pretty large swap meet, so let's go check it out. What is it?
This is like...
Is everything in there?
It looks like it because look, everything has a place.
What do you want to pay for it?
Like, I mean, these are expensive, but...
Give me a price.
5, 10 bucks.
Okay.
Time to go to work.
Oh, hot dog. I don't know whose stuff this is.
Maybe over there? Get out the whole box for...
Oh, this is hers. What do you...
Whole box.
What do you have on this?
What?
What do you have? Is this your stuff right here on the table?
Yeah, that's mine. Yeah. $2.
$2?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw this in too.
What is that?
Comes once a month.
Okay.
It's like a tinker set and
Yeah.
you just build stuff. It's
I have
super
seen
fun.
that before.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
So you can have that one.
Okay, cool. You wanted 2 for both of them, you said?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. There you are.
$1. Thank you.
Cool. Thank you very much.
Enjoy it, I hope.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
It'll be great.
Good job. Really good job.
What's your DVDs?
How much do you want?
Thank you.
What do you have on your block right here? What do you have on this?
Let me
Okay.
2 very boring minutes later.
I'm gonna say 3 on that.
3? You happen to have change?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Don't spill the coffee.
You gave me 5, right?
I gave you a 10, yeah.
Okay. I don't.
1 hour later.
Okay, I got change.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, there's.
Did you see the email?
2 hours later.
$2.
Cool, man.
And
Appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Force is strong in my family.
Is this your stuff? What do you got on the glasses?
¿Cuánto esto? 7 each?
7 each?
Yeah.
Oh, so like 20 bucks for all of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know about that.
What are you on the tripod? 20. You see she'll do 10? Yes, 10? No?
That t-shirt, might be because they got from yeah, you like to see it, you like to see fun. My guy was Mickey Mouse growing up, and I remember 1985 weird time in my life.
What do you have on your clubs?
They vary.
They vary?
Yeah.
What about the putter?
You can have it for $10. That's a good putter.
10 bucks?
Yeah. You mean
So just getting back from the Santee Drive-In and Swap Meet, we got a pretty solid amount of like bigger style items. There wasn't a ton that I was interested in. The last couple weeks, I have kind of struck out a whole bunch, but that's just kind of how it goes sometimes. Same thing with eBay. It kind of goes in waves. One week you'll sell a ton of stuff, the next week, you know, you might not sell anything. Same thing when you're going to picking. Each time you kind of take the gamble on whether you're gonna get good stuff, a couple things, or really nothing at all. The first thing that I picked up was this yoga block. It's still in the wrapping, which is always a good thing. When something is packaged, you definitely want to take a closer look. These are going for about 15 or 20 bucks. I bought this for $3, so let's see if we can get at least 20. I might put it up for that price and then put it with best offer. The next thing that we got, the lady actually grouped these two things together. I don't know a whole lot about them, but they're still in the box. They look like they're in really good condition. If you look at this one, it still has the directions in there. It's got a little spot for each one of the pieces to sit in. Even comes with batteries. So this originally, she said she wanted $2 for. This is going for anywhere between $30 and $60. So she said $2 for both of these. And then as I was walking away, she decided to throw this in as well. You could tell she was just trying to get rid of things, which that is my favorite person to purchase from. This looks like it is a Tinker crate assembly style thing. I guess you kind of take all these pieces, assemble different things. So this was $2 total for these two. This, like I said, is going for anywhere between $30 and $60. This one I'm not totally sure. I'll probably put it up for 15 or 20. I was pretty impressed with the Santee swap meet and drive-in. It wasn't as big as I originally thought it was going to be, but it was the garage sale style vendors that I really enjoy. So I kind of compare it to the South Bay drive-in and swap meet. So I'm definitely going to check that out again. When I'm walking around these flea markets and swap meets, how I'm kind of purchasing things is that, you know, I'm a little bit more picky than I used to be. It's better to not purchase something than purchase something for a price that you didn't want to purchase it for, or get an item that you don't necessarily want. Because the great thing is with these flea markets and swap meets, each week is different. You don't know what kind of vendors are going to be there, what kind of items they're going to have. So we're done for this weekend. There's always next weekend or even Wednesday if I'm going to go down to the South Bay. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe, drop a comment below, and turn on your notifications so you know when I post my next video. Thanks for watching.